morning friend, myself Reena Patel for LJIT. Our subject is alternative fuel and power system in automobile branch. Today we discussion about chapter number 4 biofuel CNG, and today we discussion about the topic is conversion kit of CNG and comparison of CNG and LPG. So let we start. First we discussion about conversion of working of CNG. Okay, so first we discussion about working of CNG. You can see the diagram of working of CNG. First is the air intake in throttle valve, means air cleaner. Then this injector through the engine, the ignition plug, and the air fuel ratio. Then three catalysts used in a, and silencer and exit gases, and also the injector through the fuel gallery, and this reducing this valve and this fuel sort of this valve to the CNG tank. Okay, this is a simple this working of CNG diagram. First is air intake, means air is enter and air is cleaner in via throttling valve to injector through the engine to the ignition this plug, and this air fuel ratio and this oxygen sensor, means sensor is oxygen sensor, intake manifold sensor, crankshaft sensor, different types of this sensor. Then the three catalysts in silencer through the exit gas emission. Also the you can see the injector through the fuel gallery to this reducing this valve to fuel sort of this valve and the CNG tank. Okay, this is a working of how it is working of CNG. Then next point is conversion of component of kit, means CNG conversion component of unit. First is ECU. What is the full form of ECU? Means electronic controller unit. It is a microprocessor based data management, then fuel supply management, also the speed, fuel and vehicle speed limiting. It is a part of this electrical controller unit. Second is cylinder, means CNG cylinder is about 200 bar pressure, means it's fitted to inside this cylinder at 200 bar pressure. Okay, then third is pressure regulator. It is also this depend on this cylinder is fitted at 200 bar in atmospheric pressure. It is part of this pressure regulator. Then this vapor bag is fitted inside this cylinder. Then also this high pressure hose, means resuffling this valve, reducing the fitted this cylinder. It is a high pressure hose, maybe it is a rubber based material hose. Then also the CNG solenoid valve. Then also the selector switch, means how to convert to petroleum CNG mode. You can use as a selector switch and you can start this vehicle. Then also this refueling valve. Okay, then gas air mixer, means air and gas mixer. Then also the refueling this interlock device and wiring harness, means it is a part of its gas in ECU and sensor. Then throttle body. Then also the sensor, different types of oxygen sensor, then manifold injector sensor, then camshaft injector sensor. Then also the injector, means how this injector means to fit it is 2 millisecond in micron. Okay, then also the CNG filter, means CNG filter means to remove this particular matter and foreign particle to 40 millimicron second to remove the use as a CNG filter, and the CNG ignition coil, and also the spark plug. It is a different this component, means CNG conversion this component kit. Okay, then next is you can see the diagram of this CNG conversion kit car, means you can change and convert the CNG conversion kit of car. So you can see the diagram for car. First is CNG cylinder. Okay, CNG cylinder, then the CNG filter, this high pressure CNG tank, then this filling valve, CNG and LPG reducer, then this also this electronic controller ECU, then this fuel injection roll, and this CNG LPG filter. Means this is a conversion of component kit of car. You can see the diagram of CNG component kit of car, how it is work. Okay, I have already explained this working of CNG process diagram. Okay, then next is what is the comparison of CNG and LPG? What is the difference between the CNG and LPG? You can see the diagram of this CNG and LPG. Means what is the full form of CNG? Compressed natural gas. Okay, main part is methane, and this LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. This main part is propane and butane. What is the chemical formula of methane? Is CH4, and this propane and butane C3H8 and C4H10. So CNG is compressed natural gas, is available and economical clean burn alternative fuel source for vehicle. And this LPG means liquefied petroleum gas, means hydrocarbon fuel, is lighter than this petroleum that can be used as an automatic fuel. Okay, first point. Then second point is higher initially this investment. Okay, first initially investment is higher, and the LPG is lower initially investment. Third point is lower running cost, then LPG is high running cost. Then less power density, so LPG is high, increasing in power delivery, means less power delivery for CNG, and LPG is high power delivery, increasing in power delivery. Then CNG is lesser turn up is required, then LPG is more. Okay, then another point is the heavier storage tank, means the storage tank CNG cylinder is about 200 bar pressure. It is a very heavy tank. Okay, then this smaller and lighter storage tank for LPG. Also the limited availability, means CNG station is very limited availability in our India. Okay, and the LPG is far better availability in comparison to CNG. Then also the no carbon deposit for oil change. Also that it is a cleaner emission. LPG is a cleaner emission. And the another point is safer, it is lighter and has higher ignition temperature. Then this LPG is heavier and has lower ignition temperature. And also the more popular with commercial vehicle, and this more popular with private vehicle. It is a comparison of this CNG and LPG. Okay, so what is the difference between CNG and LPG? What is the discuss about this advantage, disadvantage and various properties of CNG and LPG. Okay, let me discuss about our chapter number 4, LPG and CNG. First we introduction about this LPG, what is the definition of this LPG. Then this what is the manufacturing process of LPG. There is a two types of this process of LPG, natural gas and refining crude oil. And also the advantage, disadvantage and various application of this LPG, means various properties of LPG. Then next point is CNG. What is the definition of CNG? Then this manufacturing, this production process of CNG, their advantage, disadvantage and various properties of CNG. And today we discuss about this CNG, how it is working of CNG and this component conversion kit. Okay, component of CNG conversion kit and this CNG conversion kit car. Also the comparison of CNG and LPG. Okay, thank you.